Here's how to make an easy classic pesto sauce. We have here 3 cups of fresh basil leaves, half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now I love the Bertolli brand because it is one of the best in the market and it has a very, very rich taste. Next, we have here 1/3 cup of pine nuts. Now you can sub chopped walnuts for this, but really pine nuts is actually the best for pesto sauce. Next, we have here 4 garlic cloves, 4 anchovy slices, and some salt and pepper to taste. And that's it.